It's flowing that way now, dude.
You know it, buddy.
Right over Salina. Right over the south half of it. Right?
Mm-hmm.
It's a pretty good cannon folder right there. It's about dead though.
See those clouds? I've seen 4 of those today. Watch it, it's gonna pass up right by us.
Hail bolts. Hail. Look.
We got hail.
Oh shit.
Oh crap, dude, golf ball hail.
This big. That big of hail.
Oh shit. Stay back, buddy.
My car.
Stay
Oh
back.
damn, dude. It's hitting hard, dude.
Aww. Everything. No dollar sign.
Your car's alright so far.
Stay back.
Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. I'm standing out in this shit. Jessica, your car's alright. I don't see any dents yet.
As long as it don't get any bigger.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Back. Get wheeling back.
Ow, dude. It just hit me in the shoulder. Dude, he's bailing. I guarantee that cat's hidden. It just hit your mailbox, so I'd be careful. It's not slowing down either. Look at it, dude. I saw that. Dude, only one piece of hell fell. Did you see that? Ow, it just hit my toe. Oh. Look at the car. It's not dented at all.
It's not big.
Golf ball size.
No, it's dime size.
No, but golf ball? Oh yeah.
No, this is nickel size actually. I need to report this. Take this.
Oh, it's not slowing down either, dude, at all. What the Yeah, it's coming down real good now. Yeah. Looks like it's easing up a little bit. Probably about an hour or so. No. I hope not. Huh. Yeah, it's starting to lighten up now. Yeah, it is. For a while.
They get the ground. Does he want to